So this is the Indian River at Nathaniel Hobe Sound National Wildlife Refuge, and we're going to make our way into the mangrove area of the refuge. A brief description of mangroves. Again, there's the Indian River. You can see it through the roots of that tree. So we've talked about before, Hobe Sound is about where the tropics meet the rest of Florida's vegetation. So vegetation's a combination of southern and central Florida. You don't have the tall pine trees or live oak trees like North Florida, but you have a lot of the same elements in the vegetation here that you have up in Brevard and Volusia counties, and also down in Broward and Palm Beach. So very interesting area to look at and to spend some time around. It's one of the only places in the state where I found both coconut palms, an abundance of coconut palms, and of sable palms. So again, it's kind of both South and Central Florida. And as I mentioned on previous videos, this wildlife refuge is really interesting because while it's along the Indian River, you have hills here. And in fact, the visitor center is about 40 to 50 feet above sea level. And you drop to basically sea level in a matter of a couple of feet. So actually now we're climbing up a hill. And you just saw how close we were to the water. And that's the end of this trail. There's another hill that you would climb back up to get to the visitor center. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching.